He is answering to a hypothetical question. If Pakistan wins war against India, what is that we are going to do? We will capture the women and particularly Bollywood heroines and make them as his sex slaves, means their sex slaves. How do you look at that?
Can I say something? ऐसे लोग फॉलोवर्स एंड व्यूअरशिप पाने के लिए सब करते हैं. आप इतने मामूली इंसान को इतना तूल दे रहे, आप इतने मामूली इंसान के अपने इतने बड़े प्रोग्राम में उनका नाम ले रहे हैं. आई फील मुझे और इसके मतलब उनकी, मैं ये सबसे पहले कहूंगी उनको कहां से इतना पता, उनको कहां से ये सपना आ गया. और उन्होंने सबसे पहले दिस इज हाईली, मतलब मैं कंडम करती हूँ उस चीज को. नंबर 2 कि उसको कहां से ये सपना आ गया और उसने ऐसी बात कह दी. एंड प्लस ऐसे लोगों को इतनी लिफ्ट नहीं देनी चाहिए. ये है कौन, इसकी औकात क्या है? मैं तो आपके जरिए उनका नाम सुन रही हूँ. Who is he कि वो बॉलीवुड स्टार्स के बारे में ऐसी बातें कहेगा. Who is he and what is he? He's just a podcaster or a journalist. What is he? है क्या उसकी औकात?
Right. Do you have any questions for Mr. Adil Bashir, because he is with us? He has joined our live program from Islamabad.
Sure.
You can. Adil ji.
Yeah. Hello.
कैसे हैं आप?
Ma'am Farzana, I hope you are going good.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. How is everything? क्या है दोनों मुल्क का, क्या है आप लोगों की तरफ से, क्या होगा आगे, क्या करना चाहिए? और ये पॉडकास्टर कौन है, ये जर्नलिस्ट कौन है जिन्होंने इतनी मतलब जिसको कहते हैं कि इतनी इस तरह की बात की है?
फरजाना जी,
मतलब इससे ये जाहिर मतलब सीधी सी बात है, इससे ये साबित होता है कि वो अपनी औरतों की कैसे इज्जत करता होगा वहां पे. वो अपने स्टार्स की वहां, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट स्टार्स, वो जो उनकी मामूली औरतें हैं जो घरों में काम करती है, वो उनको किस नजर से देखता होगा और उसके दिल में क्या इज्जत होगी उनके लिए. जो हमारी बॉलीवुड स्टार्स के बारे में ऐसा कह सकता है, वो अपने लोगों की क्या, अपनी औरतों की क्या इज्जत करता होगा? प्लीज.
Let me place my comment here. I just want to share my sympathies with you. As I have already said.
मेरे को कभी सिंपैथी की जरूरत नहीं है, हम बहुत बहादुर होते हैं अदील साहब, हमें सिंपैथी की जरूरत नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि कितनी घटिया बात है. वो जब अपनी औरतों की इज्जत नहीं करता होगा, हमारी औरतों की क्या करेगा?
I just want to share sympathies with you in the context. You are not permitting me to complete my sentence.
Okay.
This is not a form of a true journalism.
Absolutely.
So I totally condemn this. On what sort of basis, on what basis, and what sort of ideas, wishes Mr. Luqman had portrayed this image, I totally condemn this. So let me move forward. Likewise, when I was in Kashmir, I visited the line of control and that after this Pahalgam. So I have seen that people were there. They are also indulging in this debate that this terrorism, the roots of this terrorism should be eradicated. This terrorism should be vanished. We do not want to indulge ourselves in any sort of war, in any sort of terrorism. Likewise, when I talk with those people in India and those broad-minded people in India, especially in Indian occupied Kashmir, they also say they do not want this war, they do not want this terrorism. But what was the issue of this Pahalgam?
I have an objection. I have an objection, Mr. Adil Bashir. It is not Indian occupied Kashmir. It is Kashmir, integral part of India. I reiterate, it's integral part of India.
Yes, absolutely.
Your observation,
it's Indian Kashmir. Yes.
In my capacity, that is Indian occupied Kashmir. So, I want to carry my words forward.
Right.
So, Ma'am Farzana, on both sides, people do not want to indulge themselves in a war, in a situation, and they do not support all those not in Pakistan, not in India, and all those overseas in Kashmir. So, nobody will want to that. So, what was the issue of this Pahalgam? We should understand the circumstances of that. Yes, we are sitting in Pakistan in electronic or print media. You are sitting in that Indian electronic and print media. And we are trying to portray the images of our Pakistanis and Indians, and we are bashing with each other. So we are not going to, just for this, you have said that Luqman want to take views or like this, subscribers are like this. So we also want to do that. But this is not justice with this journalism. This is not justice with Kashmiris. This is not justice with Pakistan. You are sitting in India. This is not justice with India. The issue of Pahalgam was when there was a terrorist attack, India started blaming. Their agencies started blaming that this Pakistan is linked with this terror, this terrorism linked with Pakistan, and Pakistan that this is a false flag operation. So Pakistan demanded that if you say that this is a terrorist attack and those terrorists are being supported or have been supported by Pakistan, just show me the proof. So still there is a question that India didn't provide or didn't place any proof either in on both sides of this platform or in United Nations Security Council.
अदील साहब, अभी जो है जांच हो रही है, देयर इज जो एजेंसीज हमारा जो ये जो केस है पहलगाम का, वो एनआई के पास आ चुका है. दे आर वर्किंग ऑन इट. डेफिनेटली जब तक कि कुछ प्रूफ नहीं आए होंगे, मतलब वो ऐसे भी तो नहीं कहेंगे ना. आप भी जर्नलिस्ट हैं, मैं भी जर्नलिस्ट हूं, आप भी जानते हैं हालात, मैं भी हालात जानती हूं, लेकिन मतलब कुछ ऐसे आप भी जानते हैं कि कुछ ऐसे हालात हुए कि जहां पे बार बार पाकिस्तान का नाम आया है, और यहाँ पे भी जब तक ऐसी कोई प्रूफ नहीं होगा तो यूं ही मतलब पाकिस्तान का नाम नहीं आएगा. ये मतलब ये मैं आपसे, ये आपने जो अभी तक बात कही, ये जो आप कह रहे हैं, मैं आपको उसका जवाब दे रही हूँ. जी, आप आगे बढ़े.
अच्छा, अब just one thing more. My participant is there. He raised a question that this is some Lashkar-e-Taiba or some other organization has proved this.
Yes, they have claimed, of course. उनकी तरफ से बयान आया कि ये हमारी LET के TRF ग्रुप ने किया.
They have claimed, sir. They have claimed.
They have claimed.
So this is an information for me that Lashkar-e-Taiba has said that we did this. This is an information but I don't know. We don't have any information. You have any information you have shared with me. I don't have any information.
Sure, I will share everything what we have with us, and
yes, absolutely.
Since you have been covering defense and international experts, geopolitical affairs, you must be known. You must be known about these things, I believe. Anyhow, since you are not aware, I will share all these things. And I have another question. What about Balochistan? Why they are opposing Pakistan's presence and Chinese presence in that particular